Hey, welcome to 4 Acres. It is after work Thursday night, and we are due to get a storm tomorrow. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone's prepping for it. The first real snow of the winter. They're saying 6 to 12 inches of snow. Just a few days ago, they were thinking it was going to be 1 to 3 inches and rain, but I think it's going to stay colder because they're now forecasting 6 to 12 inches. Vehicles are tucked in for the night. Unfortunately, the truck is so long and I've got so much stuff stacked behind it that I can't shut the door when the truck is in the garage. So that door is going to have to stay open, but doesn't it look pretty like that? It looks so good. Project of the evening is to bring in firewood, lock up the chickens, and get everything buttoned up so we're good for tomorrow's snowstorm. I know you can't see me. 1 second. There we go. I rewired this in the summer when I wasn't making videos. Put new LED light there, put a second light there, and then the floodlights out here. It makes it possible to be able to see what I'm doing with the chickens. Hi girls, how we doing? Hi. Let's give them a little more food. I find as it gets cold, they want to eat more. Kind of like me. For chickens, I've found these metal trash cans to be amazing. We actually used these when I was a kid for a horse feed. And it's done a great job of keeping the rats out of the chicken food. Hey, there's the inside of our new window we just did. So good. A lot of you have watched that video. I really appreciate it. I don't know why so many people have watched it, but it's really nice. Hey girls, how we doing? Chickens are in. Now it's time for firewood. It's snowing. We need to let the dogs out. Go ahead. Go. The kids all have snow days, but sadly, the adults do not. So it's time to make coffee and breakfast. Coffee makes the mornings so much better. And it's morning. And time to go to work. Oh, look how beautiful the snow is. I actually came back out last night and managed to get my truck all the way into the garage. I had to move a bunch of stuff around to make it happen, but I was worried it was going to be windy this morning, and if I didn't make it happen, I would end up with a bunch of snow in the garage. Not the case yet, although we're due to get 6 to 12 inches. I bet we're going to see between 6 and 8. We'll see. So we got to get to work. Got to let the chickens out into their little run. Oh, look at that truck. She's so purty. Look at the pond. You can see there are these little black holes in the ice there. I think you can see that. Those are actually underground springs that are pushing water up from underground, and then they keep melting the pond. There's a ton of them that you'll see in the springtime as well. Good morning, ladies. We'll let them out so they at least have access to the run here. Yeah, they don't want to come out yet. That's all right, guys. And that's the rooster. I haven't been letting them run free. We've had some coyote trouble lately and a lot of foxes. So for now, no chickens outside. Got to keep them safe. It is pretty. Let's hop on the roads and see how it goes. made it home. Got let out early from work, so I have a little bit of daylight to work with. It's just after 4 o'clock. It will be dark really soon, so I need to get this thing rolling. Truck is already in the garage. Extension cord hooked up to the snowblower. Let's see if this thing starts as well as it did the other day, shall we? Yeah, buddy! Let's go to the snow. One more time. Hopefully it'll go faster this time. Well, there you have it. Another episode of 4 Acres is in the books. It is now 1 week later. We are currently in the middle of this Arctic storm that is hitting New England. It's come through. It's dumped snow and really cold weather across the country. It is like 45 degrees and raining right now. We're supposed to get well over an inch of rain today. High wind warnings. And then tonight, it's going to drop to single digits and everything's going to flash freeze. This is where this video ends. I'll let you know how tonight worked out on the next video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend time with us here on 4 Acres in southern Vermont. Woo! We appreciate you very much. Remember, always do the best you can with what you got. And we'll see you around. Take care. Don't eat the spray foam. Don't eat the spray foam. Hey, hey!
It's not a worm.
The R value of my chickens is amazing. Let's do it!
Oh, good off! Get off! Bunker, that's not okay. Go get a drink.